very short questions and multiple choice question we discussed. Now we are going to discuss about short questions and long questions. Then I will give you some task to do. Okay, what is first question? Please read. Name of any one example organism in which locomotion takes place by 2 feet. जे पाए त्यही नै starfish. That is the answer, Pujana. Presence of mind everywhere. Now, presence of mind here. In long toilet, presence of mind is there. Remember. Sometimes presence of mind somewhere else and doing long toilet coming outside. See, what have I forgotten? Huh? Presence of mind, very important thing. POM. Presence of mind. That's what we are discussing. What we have to do. Remember. Also write one characteristic of that organism. What is one more characteristic? Yeah, they don't have distinct head. 2 marks. Atma. Right? Question, next question. Read the question. If A and B are fertilized and unfertilized eggs, A is fertilized egg, B is unfertilized egg, which type of honey bees is developed from B? Also write from B, drone bee? Yeah, because from unfertilized egg, drone bee, fertilized egg, worker bee, and write one function of such bee. They mate with queen bee. They mate with queen bee. Okay. Next question. What is here? Write any 2 difficulties that Mendel would have to face if he had carried out his experiment on human being instead of bees.
Life process of human being is long.
Life process is lifespan is very long. Or lifespan is very long means the fertility time is very long. No, the males do not become fertile within a short period of time. Right. Second one.
Not variation in that.
Yeah, there is no such variation in human beings, right? And next thing, it is illegal to mate the same generation. Illegal, like okay, father and mother they are from different parents, but when their babies are produced, they have to mate together. And can they marry? So it is illegal of mating the same F1 generation. Is that illegal?
Yes.
Yeah. I think there is no any such case where such type of legality is there, right? Question number 6.
Add any 2 medicinal value of honey.
2 medicinal value of holy basil. Tulsi. Yeah. What are the importance of
For treatment of cough.
Yeah, that is one.
Yeah.
Or fever also. Check once. We discuss right now and later on. Oh yeah, we discuss the fever. Oh yeah, and it may be wrong then gone. Yes or no? Look at the book. Looking at other chashma and looking the on face. Huh? Again. Holy basil. Nature and environment, right? Did you find some medicinal plants? Entry means yeah. For cough. Yeah, for cough, for headache, for digestive disorder, right? Yeah. Okay, so you can write those 2. Number 7. What is the question here? G proportional to 1 by G proportional or inversely to radius of within example. So G inversely to radius means if radius increases, G decreases. If radius decreases, G increases. So here what can you say? We have to remember the value of G on equator of the earth. Value of G on pole of the earth. On equator it is how much? 9.78 meter per second square, right? On pole or at pole 9.83 meter per second square. So we know next thing G is proportional to G. W is proportional to G. More G, more weight. So where does the body fall faster? At equatorial region or at polar region?
Polarism.
At equatorial region, the bodies fall slowly because the acceleration due to gravity is less.
Yes.
G at equator is how much? 9.78 meter per second square. Whereas the bodies fall faster at poles because the value of G is more, that is 9.83 meter per second square. These two things you have to mention. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. That is example. Number 8.
A
A person with myopic eye uses the glass of negative power. Why?
concave.
Negative, yeah.
Because the image form.
Means myopic eye means person can see near objects clearly,
But can she fly?
cannot see far away objects. So when the person uses the glasses
Concave.
or spectacles with concave lens, then it diverges the parallel rays of light. What do you mention? It diverges the parallel rays of light coming from distant object and helps to form the image at retina. Helps to form the image at retina. Understood or not? What you mentioned there? It diverges the parallel rays coming from a distant object and helps to form the image at retina. Myopia. So concave lenses. What is that?
Concave, negative, convex.
With negative power, right? Number 9. What is the question here? Explain with reason that when sunlight is focused on a piece of paper with the help of convex lens, the paper will burn.
Yes, the photos.
Convex lens is converging lens or diverging lens?
Converging, sir.
Convex lens is converging lens. When we use convex lens, it converges the parallel rays of light coming from the sun
In one
and
point.
forms or focuses all them in one point. As a result,
The paper.
paper burns. Right? Means heat is also conserved.
Yes.
The converged thing, heat is also converged. Now, next question is here.
Down, sir. Yeah.
What is question here? What is the cause of sparkling of diamond?
High refractive index.
High refractive index. What is the refractive index of diamond?
24.
20. Critical angle is 24 degree. Critical angle is 24 degree. But refractive index is 2.42. The refractive index of diamond is very high. What is that? 2.42. As a result, the ray of light passes from it by the process called total internal reflection. So there is multiple total internal reflection and refractive index is high. Because of that it sparks. Okay? Total internal reflection and high refractive index. Refractive index means the ability of a material to whatever name Dhundugari machine. We are talking one thing, bomb blast. No, blast. Refractive index is very high. Because of that, light passes very slowly, not fast, right? Okay. And next one is, why is gravitational force very important for the existence of the universe?
Revolution of balance is
To balance their speed,
to be the axis.
to exist in them also, right? If there is no gravitational force, then what will happen? Then those objects, where will they go? No matter. It's very difficult, no? Matter like that. Next one is number 12. What does the question say? What is the cause for placing calcium in second group of the modern periodic table?
They are alkaline or
This is
alkaline.
alkaline. But what to write? Its valence is 2.
Yes.
What is the valence of calcium? Valency of calcium is 2. Oh, now Poojan started laughing. Presence of mind here. Right? She might have dreamt about nitrous oxide, laughing gas, and he started laughing. And in the meantime, somebody produced that farting gas, and then you cry. She is people party. When she cries, when she is happy, we don't know. I could remember there was one girl. Last year I was teaching her. Her mood used to change within 20 minutes. Every girl, every girl's married is like that, yeah. So, at the beginning, tic-tac. After 20 minutes, crying. Only after 20 minutes, happy. Oh, sir. A people party. Who is that? Anisa busy? No, so just they do like that, no? Okay. Balance is 2. And it donates 2 electrons. How many electrons? 2 electrons. And to be stable, it is a metal. What is this? It is metal. Then it donates 2 electrons. And its valence electron lies in which orbital? S orbital. Right? Number 13. What does question number 13 say? Write any 2 characteristics of catalyst.
Helps in expression.
Helps in?
Reactions, chemical reaction.
Means it alters the rate of chemical reaction. Point number 1. Point number 2, find out. Open the book chemical reaction and this given 3 properties. There are 3 properties, miss. पढ़ने practice गर्ने के गर्ने practice गर्ने. Did you find or not? पत्ता लाउने? Nothing there. Want to say? Did you find the characteristic of catalyst? He is looking at the question bank. One Sapana Namana is here. Sapan Paudel, Sapana. One boy was there earlier. He also used to do the same thing. Okay, student, now it's the time to read. Okay, everybody used to read. And just when we go and check there, when I used to go and check there, what are you doing? Sir, I'm reading. What are you reading? Question, sir. From where? Question bank. In that reading. Now next someone has come here, Sapana. Did you find 3 properties of catalyst? Catalyst. Now listen. It does not take part in chemical reaction. It alters the rate of chemical reaction. Number 1. Number 2. It
Increase or decrease.
yeah, that it alters, and number 2, it does not take part in chemical reaction. Its quantity remains constant throughout the chemical reaction. What is the next one?
Difference between magnetic separation and floating.
Between magnetic separation and Froth flotation methods. Magnetic means magnetic separation for heavy ores, Froth flotation, lighter ores, and especially iron can be separated by it, and sulfide ore can be separated by it. Number 15, read question. Why is propene called unsaturated hydrocarbon? Explanatory equation and structural formula. Structural formula you have to show. Propene means how many bond carbons are there? 3. Propene. The structural formula of propene is this one. CCC. Here is double bond. You can write CC here also, or in this way also you can write. Okay. So there is existence of a single. There is a existence of one double bond between carbon atoms. That's why what is it called? Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here is presence of double bond. Right. The last question. What is here? Number 16. 2 differences between soap and detergent. Can you give the differences?
Yes, sir.
Soap is biodegradable. Detergent is non-biodegradable. Soap is made from vegetable oil or animal fat, and detergent is made from hydrocarbon obtained from fossil fuel. Understood? These are your practice questions. Are ready? Now I will show them all them here. How many are here? Oh, if I make this a bit bigger one, then where is the question? 3 to 14 you can see, right? Okay, then 15 also after some time. Please start doing now.